Look at the current pace of WhatsApp updates. These familiar chat bubbles are being reorganized into a rigid architectural grid that mirrors the layout of professional project management software. This shift toward enterprise-grade tools is a priority for the new leadership. Kunal Shah has taken the helm at the company, specifically to oversee this expansion of the platform's professional capabilities. For the average user, this rapid-fire rollout creates constant noise. When features change weekly, it becomes difficult to identify which updates offer a genuine workflow advantage and which ones are simply social distractions. Selective adoption of these features can replace the need for separate Zoom or Adobe Acrobat subscriptions. However, integrating those tools directly into your chat app forces a collision between your professional responsibilities and your private inbox. Navigating this change requires a deliberate strategy. You have to evaluate exactly which office functions are worth the trade-off of inviting work tasks into your personal digital space. This framework plots an updates effort against its professional efficiency. Social features, like status music sharing, land in the bottom left and can be ignored. Conversely, native PDF tools and web calling land squarely in the top right power user quadrant. We are auditing this specific top right quadrant to build 3 distinct playbooks for different professional needs. Converting a messaging app into a reliable productivity hub depends entirely on your ability to filter out the social clutter. The first playbook is the Desktop Hub. This is designed for solopreneurs who want to consolidate their operations into a single window and reduce the number of active software subscriptions they pay for. You can now initiate voice and video calls directly from the WhatsApp web interface. This removes the friction of opening a browser, generating a meeting link in a third-party app, and then pasting it back into the chat. Documents also stay within the interface. You can now open, highlight, and annotate PDFs natively inside the desktop chat window without downloading them to your local drive first. Consider the limitations, though. These native PDF tools lack the advanced security protocols required for sensitive legal contracts, and the web calling feature does not yet include comprehensive screen sharing or presentation modes. Relying on this hub also means your personal phone number becomes your primary professional point of contact for every client you message. For freelancers handling fast-paced, low-complexity projects, the time saved by staying in one app can outweigh the missing enterprise-grade features found in dedicated office suites. Professionals who are constantly moving between a desk and the field need a different setup, one that prioritizes communication continuity across different physical environments. The Continue on this device feature facilitates this. If you are in the middle of a video call on your computer, you can pick up your phone, tap the prompt, and the call transfers to the mobile app instantly. This enables you to leave your workstation during a long call without interrupting the audio or forcing the other participants to wait for you to reconnect. The trade-off is a heavy reliance on a single eFoon system. Maintaining this level of fluidity requires the app to be active across all your hardware, which can lead to faster battery degradation on your mobile devices. To achieve total environmental fluidity, you are essentially committing your entire hardware lineup to the Meta communication infrastructure. The third playbook, the Command Center, targets community managers and team leaders who spend their time coordinating large groups of people across different time zones. The new @mention_all command allows an administrator to ping every member of a group simultaneously, ensuring a specific announcement bypasses their individual mute settings. To prevent excessive spam, WhatsApp limits this feature to groups with 32 members or fewer, unless the person sending the message is the designated group administrator. You can combine this with advanced polls to reach a consensus on deadlines, and use the Similar Groups tool to duplicate a participant list for a subcommittee without manual data entry. By enabling the status archive in your settings, you can also store and retrieve expired 24-hour announcements for your records. These tools can significantly reduce coordination time. However, frequent use of global mentions and polls will quickly lead to notification fatigue and team members ignoring your pings. Use this decision tree to identify your most urgent professional friction point. If your main issue is managing too many software subscriptions, choose the optimizer path. Focus entirely on WhatsApp web and native PDF tools. If you're struggling to herd large teams, follow the coordinator path. Utilize advanced polls and similar groups, using mentions only for emergencies. If your priority is keeping work and personal life separate, hold off on these features. Wait for the upcoming rollout of usernames and scheduled messages. These will eventually allow you to conduct business without revealing your personal number or being forced to respond outside of your office hours. WhatsApp is centralizing the functions of several different professional apps into one interface. But real productivity isn't about using every new button they release. It's about choosing the specific tools that solve your friction without letting the office invade your peace.